Ah, London, a city that wears many hats, much like its beefeater guards. These iconic figures with their rich history and distinctive uniforms are just one of the many facets that make London so unique. From ancient history to modern marvels, London's charm lies in its intriguing contradictions. The city seamlessly blends the old with the new, where centuries-old landmarks stand proudly alongside cutting-edge architecture. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Londoner, this sprawling metropolis never fails to surprise. Each visit offers a new perspective, a fresh discovery, and a deeper appreciation for its rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. This itinerary is your guide to experiencing London in all its glory. From the majestic Buckingham Palace to the bustling streets of Covent Garden, every corner of this city has a story to tell. But remember, it's just a suggestion. Feel free to wander, explore, and discover hidden gems along the way. The true essence of London lies in its hidden corners, where you might stumble upon a quaint bookshop, a charming cafe, or a vibrant street market. That's part of the London magic. The city's street performers add a touch of whimsy and wonder, while its markets offer a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and flavours. Get ready to be enchanted by the city's vibrant energy. The hustle and bustle of London streets, the laughter of people enjoying a day out, and the ever-present hum of activity create an atmosphere that's both exhilarating and inviting. You'll be captivated by its iconic landmarks and world-class attractions. From the timeless elegance of Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament to the modern marvel of the London Eye and the historic grandeur of Tower Bridge, each landmark is a testament to the city's rich heritage and innovative spirit. So grab your Oyster card, put on your walking shoes, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of London. As you stroll along the Thames River with its stunning views and iconic landmarks, you'll feel the pulse of this incredible city. Every step you take will bring you closer to the soul of London, a city that never ceases to amaze and inspire. What better way to kick off your London adventure than with a visit to the Queen's, or is it the King's, humble abode? Buckingham Palace stands as a symbol of the British monarchy, a place where history and modernity intertwine. This iconic landmark has been the official residence of the reigning monarch since 1837, and it continues to be a working palace today. As you approach, you'll be struck by its neoclassical architecture and the sheer size of the building, which boasts 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff bedrooms, 92 offices and 78 bathrooms. Buckingham Palace, in all its grandeur, is a sight to behold. The palace's facade, with its iconic balcony where the royal family greets the public during special occasions, is instantly recognizable. The surrounding area is always bustling with tourists, eager to catch a glimpse of this majestic residence. The palace is not just a home, it's a symbol of the nation's history and heritage. The Union Jack flying atop the palace indicates that the monarch is in residence, adding to the excitement of your visit. Try to catch the changing of the guard ceremony. It's a spectacle of precision marching and bearskin hats. This traditional ceremony, which takes place in the forecourt of Buckingham Palace, is a must-see for any visitor. The guards, dressed in their iconic red tunics and tall bearskin hats, perform a highly choreographed routine that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The ceremony is accompanied by a military band, adding a musical element to the visual feast. You might even hear a tune or two that you recognize. The band often plays a mix of traditional military marches and contemporary pop songs, making the experience both nostalgic and modern. The changing of the guard is not just a tourist attraction, it's a living tradition that showcases the discipline and dedication of the British Army. Afterward, take a stroll through St. James's Park. This beautiful park, located just a stone's throw from Buckingham Palace, offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. With its picturesque pathways, serene lake and lush greenery, St. James's Park is the perfect place to relax and unwind. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including ducks, swans and even pelicans, which have been a feature of the park since the 17th century. Enjoy the tranquility of this green oasis in the heart of the city. Find a bench by the lake and take in the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The park's well-maintained gardens and flower beds are a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. Whether you're looking for a quiet spot to read a book or a scenic backdrop for a leisurely walk, St. James's Park has something for everyone. Look out for the pelicans. They're quite a sight, waddling about like they own the place. These fascinating birds were originally a gift from a Russian ambassador in 1664, and they have been a beloved feature of the park ever since. Watching the pelicans interact with each other and the visitors is a delightful experience that adds a unique charm to your visit. Remember, London is a city best explored on foot. Walking through the streets of London allows you to fully immerse yourself in the city's rich history and vibrant culture. From the historic landmarks to the modern attractions, there's always something new to discover around every corner. The city's well-connected public transport system makes it easy to get around, but nothing beats the experience of exploring London on foot. Soak in the atmosphere and let the city's energy wash over you. Whether you're visiting the bustling markets, enjoying a meal at a local pub, or simply people watching in one of the city's many parks, London offers a unique blend of old and new that is sure to captivate you. Take your time to explore, and you'll find that every street has a story to tell. Now that you've worked up an appetite, it's time for a proper English breakfast. Head towards Regency Cafe in Westminster. This greasy spoon is a London institution, serving up hearty breakfasts for generations. Don't be intimidated by the queue out the door. It moves quickly. Order the full English if you dare. It's not for the faint of heart, but it will set you up for a day of exploring. And don't forget a cuppa, that's tea, for the uninitiated. After breakfast, journey back in time to the Tower of London. This historic fortress has served as a royal palace, a prison and even a zoo. Prepare to be captivated by tales of intrigue, imprisonment and execution. You might even encounter one of the yeoman warders, more affectionately known as beefeaters. Don't be shy, they're full of fascinating stories and terrible jokes. Be sure to visit the crown jewels. These sparkling symbols of the monarchy are a sight to behold. Just try not to get any ideas. Section 5. A spot of lunch. Refueling for more adventures. Exploring can be hungry work. For a quick and delicious lunch option, try Borough Market. This bustling food market offers a smorgasbord of flavours from around the world. Grab a gourmet burger, sample some artisan cheeses, or indulge in a decadent brownie. Just be sure to save room for afternoon tea. Section 6. Treasures of the World. The British Museum beckons. After lunch, delve into the halls of the British Museum. This world-renowned institution houses artifacts and treasures from across the globe. From the Rosetta Stone to the Elgin marbles, the British Museum's collection is vast and awe-inspiring. Prepare to be transported through time and cultures as you wander through its galleries. Don't try to see everything, it's impossible. Choose a few exhibits that pique your interest and immerse yourself in the stories they tell. Section 7. Afternoon tea, a British tradition. No trip to London is complete without experiencing the quintessential British tradition of afternoon tea. For a truly memorable experience, head to the Ritz London. Indulge in delicate finger sandwiches, freshly baked scones with clotted cream, and an assortment of pastries. All while sipping on perfectly brewed tea, of course. Don't forget to lift your pinky. Just kidding, you don't have to do that. Section 8. A breath of fresh air, Hyde Park's tranquil embrace. After all that history and culture, you've earned a bit of relaxation. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life with a stroll through Hyde Park. Hire a rowboat on the Serpentine, soak up the sun on a deck chair, or simply wander through the park's leafy pathways. Keep an eye out for the resident squirrels. They're always up for a peanut or two. Hyde Park is a true oasis in the heart of London, offering a welcome respite from the city's energy. Section 9. Lights, curtain, action, the West End awaits. As evening descends upon London, prepare to be dazzled by the bright lights of the West End. This world-famous theatre district offers a dazzling array of performances, From classic musicals to cutting-edge plays, there's something for everyone. Book your tickets in advance to avoid disappointment. After the show, grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants in the area. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try a traditional pie and mash shop. Section 10. London's Lullaby, a city of lights and dreams. As the sun sets and the city transitions from day to night, London transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of lights and dreams. The skyline, adorned with twinkling lights, tells a story of a city that never sleeps, a city that is always alive with energy and possibilities. As your day draws to a close, treat yourself to one last unforgettable view. The cityscape at dusk is a sight to behold, with the sky painted in hues of orange and pink, gradually giving way to the deep blues of night. The lights begin to flicker on, one by one, creating a magical atmosphere that is both calming and invigorating. Head to the London Eye for a breathtaking panorama of the city illuminated by night. The iconic Ferris wheel offers a unique vantage point, allowing you to see the city in all its illuminated glory. As you ascend, the view becomes even more spectacular, with the River Thames reflecting the shimmering lights of the city. From your vantage point high above the River Thames, you'll be able to spot many of the landmarks you visited today. The Houses of Parliament, Big Ben and St Paul's Cathedral all stand out, their historic facades beautifully lit against the night sky. It's a moment of reflection, a chance to take in the grandeur of this incredible city. It's the perfect way to say goodbye, or perhaps see you soon, to this incredible city. As you descend from the London Eye, take a moment to soak in the final views. The city, with its blend of history and modernity, leaves a lasting impression, making you yearn for your next visit. And there you have it, a perfect day in London. From the bustling streets of Covent Garden to the serene beauty of Hyde Park, from the historic Tower of London to the modern marvels of the Shard, the city offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every interest and passion. Remember, this is just a starting point. London is a city that constantly evolves, with new attractions, restaurants and events popping up all the time. Each visit offers something new to discover, ensuring that no two trips are ever the same. London is a city of endless possibilities. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover or an adventure seeker, there's always something to captivate your interest. The city's rich cultural tapestry is woven with countless stories waiting to be explored and experienced. So get out there, explore and discover your own London adventure. Wander through its charming streets, uncover hidden gems, and create your own memories in this city of lights and dreams. London awaits, ready to enchant and inspire you with its timeless charm and boundless energy.